Why no-cook meals matter.
No-cook meals can be a lifesaver. Whether your kitchen is out of order, you're in a rush, or it's simply too hot to cook, quick, fresh meals can be both healthy and satisfying. By choosing the right ingredients, you can still enjoy balanced nutrition without spending time at the stove or oven.
Stock a no-cook pantry.
Having ready-to-eat staples makes meal prep easy. Keep canned beans, chickpeas, and tuna on hand for protein. Choose whole grain wraps or crackers for complex carbs. Load up on fresh fruits, vegetables, hard cheeses, nut butters, hummus, and plain Greek yogurt. These items are versatile, nutritious, and require little to no preparation.
Simple no-cook meal ideas.
Mix and match for quick, tasty meals. Try a chickpea salad with diced veggies, lemon juice, and olive oil. Roll up turkey, cheese, and greens in a whole grain wrap. Top Greek yogurt with nuts and berries. Layer hummus, cucumbers, and tomatoes on crackers. These combinations offer protein, fiber, and healthy fats in minutes.
Balance nutrition without cooking.
Even with no-cook meals, balance is key. Aim to combine proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains or produce at each meal. Add mixed greens or pre-washed salad kits for extra fiber. Use avocado or olive oil for heart-healthy fats. Remember to include a colorful variety of fruits and veggies to get a range of vitamins and minerals.
Smart tips for making it work.
That's how you prepare for your summer. Wash and cut veggies when you bring them home. Store ready-to-eat ingredients in clear containers for easy access. Portion out snacks like nuts and fruits. Check labels for added sugar or excess sodium in packaged foods. Hydrate with water and enjoy your meal at a relaxed pace for better digestion.